Sichuan girls are born beautiful, strong, and hardworking. Today, we're threshing the rice. We'll finish gathering the last 2 plots to earn money. Spent so much already. The rice from our hometown. It grows high up in the mountains, at 1,100, irrigated by the cleanest spring water, breathing the freshest mountain air. Don't you want to try some? Today we'll harvest about 5 or 6,000 jin. If you can afford it, come buy some. You didn't even finish last year's. We'll use the money to buy something nice. At this point, shouldn't we feel content? We came to the fields at 5 a.m. today. Finally, we're almost done. Look at this. What a huge day of work. Yesterday we worked through 7 fields. Today we're starting the threshing. Once the machine works, it's like gold pouring out. Ready? Ready. The sun's out, gotta keep pushing. Yay, finally done, honey. Let's go home and have pork for We've arrived at the county town. Not sure if it'll sell well. I only carried 50 or 60 jin. If it sells well, I'll bring more next time. Let's display our rice first. Fresh rice, fresh rice. This is rice from our own fields. Just milled it last night. From 1,100 meters above sea level. Who wants to buy some? Take it home and try it. For jin for 3.5 yuan, fair price. Alright, buy a little first. If you like it, I'll bring more next time. Deal. Grandma just bought some too. Looks like our rice sells well. Alright. Fresh rice, fresh rice. Yes. Got it. Sure, that's fine. 15 jin for 45 yuan. Quick, tell your dad. Okay. Oh, High Mountain new rice, all freshly harvested. Take it home and try. It's completely different from supermarket rice. I'll buy a bit more to take home. If you like it, I'll bring more tomorrow. We'll keep in touch by phone. Give me your number. Don't worry. This is genuine fresh rice from today. Alright, thank you. If it tastes good, we'll Sure, bring your friends next time. Here's your 8.8 yuan. Haha, thank you so much. Haha. $7.7 yuan. I'll round it up to 8 for you. High Mountain rice at 1,100 meters. It even snows in winter there. Try it when you get home. Yes, have a taste later. Haha, old friend, you came again. Give me your number again, okay? 33,253,325. Call me. I'll text you back. Those last customers bought everything else. 9.5. Thank you, Grant. Look how fashionable she is. We were there for less than 40 minutes, and all our fresh rice was sold out. Didn't expect it to sell. Next time we'll bring more. Let's head home. We made a total of 203 yuan selling rice today, from seedling to harvest. It took over 5 months. Many say it's expensive, but only farmers know the hardships behind it.